Afghan mushroom and celery curry recipe. Yield 6 servings. Prep time 10 minutes. Cook time 30 minutes. Total time 40 minutes. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons 30 milliliters vegetable oil, 1 onion chopped, 1 head celery chopped, 1 bunch cilantro chopped, 1 bunch parsley chopped, 1 bunch fresh mint chopped or 2 tablespoons dry mint, 2 cups 1 pound 200 grams button or crimini mushrooms sliced thinly, half a teaspoon ground turmeric, 3/4 of a teaspoon salt, 1 cup 250 milliliters water, 2 lemons juiced approximately 60 milliliters. Directions: 1. Place oil and onion in a medium-sized pot and dry on medium-high heat, stirring frequently until onion has browned. Add a small splash of water if needed to deglaze the pot. 2. Add all remaining ingredients, except the lemon juice, to the pot. Cover, reduce heat to medium, and cook for approximately 30 minutes, stirring every 5 to 10 minutes. 3. The dish is ready when the celery is soft and no longer crunchy. When cooked, add the lemon juice, stir, and serve. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.